Ever wanted to sneak your way into a party and end up running the show? Well, I've got a little trick that might turn you from a guest into a boss in no time. Are you tired of being at the bottom of the totem pole? Do you want to take charge and lead from the front? Well, I've got the perfect strategy for you. Infiltrate as a guest and become the boss. The key to usurping leadership in a situation where you are typically subordinate is first to gain acceptance. You can easily blend in and navigate your way into the inner circle by pretending to be a guest. Once you have infiltrated your target, it's time to move. Start by observing the dynamics and identifying the weaknesses in the current leadership. Use this knowledge to gradually assert yourself and gain the trust of those around you. As you continue to develop from the inside, position yourself as a valuable asset to the team. Show your skills, take on responsibilities, and demonstrate your ability to lead effectively. Before you know it, you'll call the shots and run the show. Remember, the journey from being a guest to the boss requires strategic planning, patience, and staying one step ahead. Infiltrate, observe, and take control. The power is in your hands, so make the most of it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on mastering leadership and achieving success.